Nagamta ki video ha satra kapertei. Subscribe ki Khasi reporter. Ba share rukcha ki parlo ki jompi. Kublai shibun. Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and today I will teach you how to reply a question of the teacher and other sentences. Through this video, you will improve your English language. Let's start. In English, what is your name? Haga Khasi, kae ka kerteng jongpi. In English, sir, my name is David. Haga Khasi, sir, nga kerteng u David. In English, what is your father name? Haga Khasi, kae ka kerteng jong ipa jongpi. In English, sir, my father name is Rahul. Haga Khasi, sir, ipa jonga ikerteng Rahul. In English, how old are you? Haga Khasi, katno ka arta jongpi. In English, sir, I am 10-year-old. Haga Khasi, sir, ngadon suppose now. In English, how many siblings do you have? Haga Khasi, kat nungut pia don shipara. In English, we have 2 siblings, brother and sister. Haga Khasi, ni don arngut shipara, ikong bat iba. These are other sentences of Learn Khasi through English. Really, only 1 week you will improve your English language. Let's start. In English, wake up. Haga Khasi, kino. In English, go and play. Haga Khasi, lej bat lekai. In English, say bye. Haga Khasi, ong bye. In English, never mind. Haga Khasi, what's your way? In English, clean it. Haga Khasi, unkujeka. In English, try again. Haga Khasi, persangbia. In English, don't move. Haga Khasi, what key? In English, look at me. Haga Khasi, pechanga. In English, look here. Haga Khasi, pechangne. In English, be careful. Haga Khasi, dasumarbha. In English, right now. Haga Khasi, mentahi. In English, what happened? Haga Khasi, kae ka bajya. In English, test it. Haga Khasi, matyaka. In English, give me. Haga Khasi, ayanga. In English, this one. Haga Khasi, kanekaway. In English, that one. Haga Khasi, katokaway. In English, show me. Haga Khasi, peniyanga. In English, eat it. Haga Khasi, bamyaka. Only this much for today. See you next lesson. Thank you for watching.